the tutorial for the Shopify Marketplace Integration app. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the app's full functionality, from installation and configuration to managing your orders, syncing products, and handling your subscription. Let's get started. Section 1. Installing the application and fetching orders. To begin, access your Shopify admin and go to the Apps section. From there, select App Settings. Once you've found the app, click on Install, authenticate it, and configure the integration credentials. Now that your app is authenticated, go ahead and enter your integration credentials and set up your order syncing preferences, including SKU filters and sync intervals. Once everything's set up, click Sync Orders to pull in your first marketplace orders. Now, your Shopify store is live and connected, ready to start syncing orders seamlessly. Section 2, Dashboard Overview. Next, let's take a look at your dashboard. This is where you'll find key metrics like your total orders, active offers, and successful product matches. It gives you a snapshot of your integration's performance. Right below, you'll see the System Status Indicator, which shows whether the connection between your Shopify store and the marketplace is healthy. If everything is green, you're good to go. Section 3, Orders and Order Fulfillment. Orders are the heart of your business, and this app gives you a centralized view of all your marketplace orders. Each order displays its status, whether it's in progress, shipped, or canceled. When you're ready to fulfill an order, simply enter the tracking ID within the app. The system will automatically update the order status to shipped across both Shopify and your marketplace. After you mark the order as fulfilled, don't forget to sync your orders again to ensure everything is updated correctly. Section 4, Offers and Automatic Product Syncing. The Offers section displays all your marketplace listings that have been fetched into the application. For each offer, you can view the offer ID, offer name or title, offer SKU, price, stock quantity, and its current match status, which indicates whether the offer has been linked to a Shopify product. Use the search bar at the top to quickly look up specific offers or SKUs. This is especially useful when managing a large catalog. You can associate or match your Shopify products with the marketplace offers listed in the app. Once linked, this enables automatic product syncing. Any increase in one product's quantity will automatically update the other because they are now connected. To set up an automatic match, copy the offer SKU from the offers section for any offer that currently shows a matched status of no. From the Shopify admin sidebar, go to Products. Click Add Product. You will be redirected to the product creation page. Enter the product name, then paste the offer SKU you copied earlier into the SKU field. Click Save to create the product. Return to the Shopify application and click on the Offers tab. Click Sync Offers. The syncing process takes only a few seconds. After syncing, check the offer you just matched. You will see that the match status has changed from no to yes. This confirms the offer has been successfully linked to your Shopify product and that quantity syncing is now active. This process is called automatic product matching. To verify that inventory syncing is working, go to the Shopify admin sidebar, navigate to Products, and select Inventory. Search for the Shopify product you just created. Since the SKU is identical for both the Shopify product and the marketplace offer, finding it should be straightforward. Locate the product in the inventory list and increase its quantity. Click Save to apply the inventory update. Return to the Shopify application. Click on the Offers tab. Click Sync Offers again to pull in the latest data. After syncing, you will see that the quantity for the offer SKU now matches the updated quantity of the associated Shopify product. This demonstrates automatic quantity syncing in action. The quantity change will also be reflected on your marketplace dashboard. ensuring consistency across all your selling channels. Section 5, Product Match, Manual Matching. In the Product Match section, you can view all your manually created matches. Each entry shows the product title, marketplace, or offer SKU, Shopify SKU, quantity, price, matched status, last updated timestamp, and an actions column, which includes a delete button if you ever need to remove a match. Navigate to the offers section and copy the offer SKU for any offer that has a matched status of no. Click on the Product Match tab from the app's navigation. Click New Match to begin creating a manual product association. From the drop-down list, select the Shopify product you want to link. Next, choose the specific variant of that product from the variant list. Paste or type the marketplace or offer SKU that you want to associate with this Shopify product. Click Create Match to save the association. You'll now see the marketplace product listed as successfully associated with your chosen Shopify product. The manual match has been created. Just like with automatic matching, any increase in the Shopify product's quantity will automatically increase the quantity for the associated marketplace product, and vice versa. To verify this, navigate from the sidebar to Products, then select Inventory. Search for the associated Shopify product by its SKU. Locate the product and increase the quantity. Click Save to apply the change. Return to the Shopify application. Click Refresh to pull in the latest sync data. After refreshing, you'll see that the Marketplace SKU quantity now matches the updated Shopify product quantity. Your manual match is syncing correctly. And 6, activity logs. Transparency is key when managing your store, and that's where the activity logs come in. The logs track every action happening in the app, whether it's an order update, inventory sync, or a product match. You can search and filter the logs by order, SKU, or activity type to easily find what you're looking for. The logs refresh automatically every 5 seconds, keeping you up to date with real-time activity. 7, subscription management. As your business grows, so will your integration needs. In the subscription section, you can review your active plan, monitor your usage statistics, and even upgrade or downgrade as needed. This flexibility allows you to scale your subscription based on the demands of your business. You can also compare different plans to find the one that best suits your current needs. 8, uninstalling the application. Finally, if you ever need to remove the app, uninstalling is easy. Simply navigate to the app's settings and click on the Uninstall Application option. The process is fully reversible, so if you change your mind, you can reinstall the app at any time without losing your data. You've now seen how easy it is to install, configure, manage orders, sync products, and handle your subscription. We hope this tutorial has helped you get started with your Shopify Marketplace integration app. Thank you for watching and happy selling.